Here I'm going to show you how to set up and configure the Facebook pixel for WooCommerce. So to do that, you need to log into your Ads Manager and navigate to the menu, All Tools and Pixels, and that's going to bring you to this page. Then you need to click on Details. Now to set up your WooCommerce integration, you need to click on the Setup button, select Use an Integration or Tag Manager, and then select WooCommerce. And now it's going to prompt you to download this plugin, which you'll then have to install on your WordPress website. So go ahead and download that and then log in to your WordPress website, navigate to Plugins, Add New, and then click Upload Plugin. Find the file that you've just downloaded and click Install Now. Then you need to click Activate Plugin. Now from this point on, all of this setup will be done within WooCommerce. So here you'll see this pop up somewhere around the top of your page. Facebook for WooCommerce is almost ready to complete your configuration and complete the setup steps. So click on that link and then click on Get Started. And it's going to walk you through a wizard to set this up. So this has just got a little bit of information. You can just click Next. First, you need to select your Facebook page associated with your online store and Next. And then you need to select your pixel. Unless you had the pixel installed previously on the website, this won't come up. Do note that if you had a website and then you install WooCommerce later and you already had the pixel installed, you have to remove that pixel first and then add it in. Otherwise, your pixel will fire twice and your conversion tracking will not be correct. So I can just ignore that. I know that's fine and click Next. Now, if you already had products in your online store, it would tell you how many products are in your inventory, and it would upload those to Facebook at the same time into your product catalog, and it would create that product catalog automatically. In this case, we don't have any products, so that's fine. Now we can just close that. Now we want to check this pixel is actually installed. So if you go back to Pixels and go Continue, it's going to tell you about the Pixel Helper Google Chrome extension. So if you don't already have that installed in Chrome, I would recommend installing that because that's how you'll be able to check that your pixel is actually set up on your website. So I've already got that, so I don't need to add that. So just go back into your website, go to your home page, and then up here, this is what that Chrome extension looks like. So you just want to click on that, check, yes, it's got a Facebook pixel. Check that that pixel ID is the same one in your account. And when I close that, I can see that, yes, that is the same. So now I know that my pixel is installed correctly. Now, as I mentioned before, it will automatically pre-populate a product catalog for you. And that will also be automatically added to your Facebook page. So if you want to find your product catalog, you'll find that under the menu, All Tools, and catalogs. And for information around that, that will be in a separate video.